so very hot. Guys, this is the place. Ayan, mga place niya. This is my room. This is my room. Any place. This is the place, guys. And the bathtub is over there. Ayan. Same as usual, the toilet. So guys, this is the room, my room. My room. It's a Japanese room. And you can see the yan ang view, super init. So guys, see you later. Nakaganda ng view. The view outside. Ganda ng view. So guys, this is my room. Ganda ng view. Super init. Bye. Guys, ganda ng view. Yan na. This is my room. There's the ocean over there. So guys, I go to spa na. There's the ocean view. So very hot na sa Japan. But we need to go to hot spring. Bye. Flex ko lang. Mamaya ulit. Love you guys. This is my room. Hello to everyone. Bye. Zo to Austin. Dewa si Kuchi Aruki. Bye then.
バカじゃない。モデルな感じになってる。
いいよ。セブンの景色。いいよ、止まって押して。
泊まる？
そうそう。Hello guys, we're in the 7th floor. This is a place. So hot in Japan. Here now. Dahil mamaya labas tayo, mainit pa. It's the place. A massage chair later. This is the place, guys. Oh no, Akuchi. This is for men's. So guys, this is It's for girls. So you can see the view outside. So guys, I go to spa na. Yan yung girls hot bath. And this is the men's. And I will go to massage na. Bye. Bye guys. See you later. Ko nancho namai desu ka? Ko nancho namai? Fujiya? Fujiya Hotel. Fujiya Hotel. Spa. Izu. Hello. Everyone. Very hot in Japan. Oh guys, nice kimono. Go outside. Nice. Very hot. That's the place. Flex. Fujiya Hotel. Very hot. Hot. We're here now. So guys, it's so hot. So bye na guys. Flex ko lang labas. Mainit. Grabe. It's the place. Bye. Bye na guys. It's the place. We're eating. our food, guys. これまだ入れないの？
忘れてるやん。
言わないとダメだよ。Bye guys, I will eat na. This is the plate, yeah. Good. Nice.
Hmm? This is the place. It's night na. Night. This is the place, guys. This is our hotel. That's it. Nice place. This is the place. Breakfast time. Let's eat.
Welcome Star Travel Blog. Like and share comments.